Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have the most epic tutorial. I might have said that on the last one. This one is actually the most epic. I've got Tori here with me today. You guys probably know her for some of my videos like this. Oh, dang, she's so good. How you feeling right now?
A little scared.
Yeah, I didn't really tell her exactly what we're doing today. I just was like, yo, come help me with the tutorial. And then I showed her this clip here.
Yeah,
You got it.
I don't think my body bends that way.
No, it'll be fine. Even if you're dancing this by yourself, cool, we're gonna give you ways to modify everything. There are some moves in this that are insane that only space aliens like Sofie can do. Don't hurt yourself. However, if you try them and you get it on video, I would love to see it. So tag me in your covers, tag me in your fails. Please don't die. Love you. I want to see your covers for this routine more than any other routine ever. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We got new videos dropping every week. Tor, are you ready?
Let's do it.
Let's go. All right, guys, start this tutorial off. If you have a partner, you're gonna stand like one behind the other. If not, you can do it by yourself, it's fine. Tweak some of the parts so that it makes sense. I'm gonna start behind you since I'm a little taller than you.
A little taller.
Just barely. It looks best if you hide, so like, okay, if you could go up. Yep, perfect, okay. Cool, and now, yeah. All right, perfect. So we're gonna make this like shape that looks like hands are popping out sort of deal. So Tori's gonna start on 1, then I'm gonna go and 2, then she's gonna go and we're gonna pull in twice, gink, gink, and then we're gonna flip our arms up like this. I'm gonna grab her hands, turn around, and then, you ready?
Yeah.
And then from here, all we're gonna do is arm wave, whoop, across like this, and then come in, and then come up. Cool. Now, she made that look really easy. I haven't tried it yet, but
I believe in you.
I'm gonna prove to you guys that anybody can do it, even if you don't have flexible back like Tori. Okay.
Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8.
See, it's so easy. It's
and wave.
Really easy, and it's easy. And it's easy. Now my back hurts. Great, cool. That was really bomb. I'm glad I inspired you guys with that. But I'm gonna let Tori do that part. So from there, once we're here, jing, like this, your hands are gonna come around your head, like this. She's gonna step out so that we can be side by side again. You're gonna drop down, and then you're gonna roll up, and there's like a little like, broom in the music. You know that sound?
Broom.
Broom, you're here. You're gonna step out on your right. This is kind of like a little salsa vibe. Then you're gonna do the same thing and you're gonna push twice. Then you're gonna step forward on your right foot, smack. Then you're gonna come back. Then you're gonna come up and up. So one more again, that's 6, 7, 8. You go 1 and 2, a zoom, hey, smack, 6, up and up. Then Tori's gonna step back on her left. I'm gonna step forward on my right to come out here. Then left. Then I'm gonna come in like this. We're doing the same thing. I just definitely hit you in the head. Then, boom, this one. Okay, now from here, see how our hands are the same. I'm gonna push her head down like this. And then we're gonna go. So our hands are just going fingertips down, and then they bring them down. And what we do is like to make it look cooler, from here, when we push down with our hands, our head goes down too. And then, boom. Your head is really hot.
I'm sweating a little bit.
It's from that back bend. All the blood is in your head, see? So it goes 1 and 2 and 3, and you're gonna go straight out 4, and then you're gonna go and. It's like that marble toy, so the heads are gonna go like, and like knock. So I'm gonna go first. I'm gonna go here, around, try and keep your chin like on your arms, and then boom, and then around, and oh, you're killing it. Killing it, and then you're gonna turn out of it like this, and then you're gonna arabesque, boom, bow. That was good, nice.
Was it?
Great technique.
Thank you.
Yeah, flawless. Here's the thing, guys. If you're doing this solo, you can just tweak all of these things, right? So you can still be like, perfect. Even on the tutting though, you can be like, doom, 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 zoom, zoom, goom, 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 and just take longer, right? So if you just change everything a little bit, it's fine. All right, let's try from the top up to there, and then we're gonna add on the last section. You go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 down, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down, 7 up, 8. Groove. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Boom. Hot tutting. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn and wow. Okay, you guys are killing it. We're gonna imagine that you are. I think they're probably killing it.
Killing it.
Right? Yeah. If I look close, I can like kind of see you guys. Oh, it's a cool couch you got. Cool.
Sick.
Watch out for your dog though. Okay. Cool. So the next part, yeah, here's the thing. Nobody can really do this, just Sofie. So you can make up your own version. We're gonna make up our own. What happened in the original video is from the kick, she went into a split, and then I went like this. Actually, why don't you try it?
Okay.
Your split's pretty good. It's a lot better than mine. All right, boom. Down into a split. Now, all I did, I mean, my part was really hard. So like, you guys can probably do my part, but, so I just go like this. Whoa. And when I do that, your legs, they just go over your face. A little further, like onto the, here, wait, you stay there. And
oh no.
If you're gonna break in half, say stop. You're super close. You're almost there. So I think what's a better idea than like breaking your face is probably just freestyling for a few counts. And then, hit him with a And then we do this part where once her feet are over her head, we like turn slowly. Super easy, yep. Boom. Except like you go like super low. Yeah.
I am already super low.
Yeah, you are super low already. And then when I went back, I just did this.
How do you do that?
I literally just shake my arms. I don't know. And it looks
But it doesn't
weird.
look as cool as when I do it.
In silence, it's hella awkward. But if the beat was like, it would be really, really fire. So 7, 8. Okay, cool. Maybe we could put a better sound effect over that in the edit than what I did. One more thing, she rolled over her face. We'll just, nice. Basically it. And then, zoom, and then I bring her up, bam. Okay, now the part that we can all do, all the normal humans. Choreography, okay, cool. So now, you're gonna drop down, you're gonna go 1, 2, then you're gonna step forward, make an X, then back, then X, then down. Now, this has the potential to become very cheerleader if you do it like this.
The boys are love to scare.
So don't do that. Stay contracted a little bit, like shoo, ga, shoo, wha. Hey, fire. Then you go to the right, zoom. You're gonna come down. You go out and up. Then you're gonna turn on your left foot, turn around. Then booty twice, zoom, back, back. Then you're gonna turn over your left shoulder. Turn, come here, jump out, zoom. You're gonna go right, left. You're gonna come around. Little bobblehead action. I like that. Little like yeet. From the scoop. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 7, and 8. Push 1, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. And zoom, I do something cool. Yeah, pass it to Tor. She does something. We're gonna talk about it in a second because it's also impossible to do. Okay, here's what happens at the end. All right, I made a deal with Tori before this that if she tried it, I would also try it. Sofie's not here to teach us right now, so I think I remember. She taught me in the video, so I could probably like pretty much mastered it.
Yeah, you're a pro.
Yeah, like.
Yeah, no, now keep walking. Okay, now you're gonna go to your knee.
I've got it down. Proper warm up. Okay, touch the old toes.
Oh, you
There
can
it
do
is.
that.
Yeah, I'm super flexible. I don't like to like put a lot of my contortion into my videos because I don't want to like take away from the shine.
Yeah.
You know? Mm-hmm. Okay, so you start in a bridge. I remember that. Easy. Okay. Okay, show off. Fine.
Can you hurry up? This is a little hard to stick.
Very nice. Okay, so your feet walk to the right.
Okay. Oh, hey, I did it.
What the f? I didn't even say go. Yeah.
I don't think I can go back.
Okay, just wait for me there.
Okay.
Yep, I'm coming. I'll be right there. Oh, I'm tired. Then part 2, the knee roll. Yeah, the knee roll is decent. The sound effect was terrible. try again.
Okay.
It's whoosh whoosh. Listen, whoosh whoosh.
Whoosh whoosh.
No, whoosh whoosh. What? Okay, we'll work on that. Last part of the move. Hands don't move, and you finish the doppelganger circle twisty boppy with your feet. Here we go.
Is that the official name?
Yeah, I think so. Look it up. Okay. Through. It's like threading a needle. Thread the needle. Make the slope. Make. Oh! Oh!
Oh, you did it! You did it!
Ouch! Come on, Tor. I believe.
I cheated though.
Easy. Easy money.
Now to the chiropractor.
So, I'm you. That was really something.
You did it.
Basically, the deal is good luck. Feel the music. That's the biggest advice I'd give. If not, just freestyle. That's the whole routine.
Oh!
You guys made it to the end. I cannot wait to see these covers. I'm sure they're gonna be amazing. But I think what we need to do is do it one time from the very top. All of the glorious moves, including the doppelganger, twisty, boppy, side, flippy, floppy, flippity, whoosh, whatever. Remember, make whatever changes you need if you're dancing with a partner or solo. If you can't do all the moves, neither can we. So, you know, that's life. All right, here we go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, zoom, 1 and 2, 3 up, 4 around, 6 down, 7 roll up, 1 and 2, 3 and scoop and a shot, 6, 7 tutting, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, boom, and turn, kick, splitty thing, over your face thing. Cool, best of luck to all of you. 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2. I freestyle cool stuff and 7, 8. Go! Legs, hands, knees, shwoobity boop, scoobity bop. Okay, 12 more. And then I come and pose like this next to you, and then you push me. Oh, and I go like this. Okay, guys, I have to say, this is probably the most excited I've ever been to see your covers. Make sure once you post them up, tag us in them, use the hashtag so we can find them. We're gonna be reposting some of you guys on Epic Dance videos. I might throw you up on a story if you're really killing it. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. All that. Peace, send us your covers. Skirt.